Hello everyone, I am Rukia Zaman. Today I will show you how to create a project on restaurant management system. For this, at first you have to know what is restaurant management system. The restaurant management system helps the restaurant manager to manage the restaurant more effectively and efficiently by computerizing meal ordering, billing and inventory control. Introduction. We often come across a situation where we have an overload of data. In the setting of a restaurant, there are numerous entities and attributes one needs to keep the track of to run the restaurant in a hassle-free manner. Problem statement. Our mission statement of our project is to organize and manage data for a restaurant. Problem description. Since there is always so much data generated in a given hour, a restaurant it is to provide the manager with a one-stop database to access a particular data field quickly and accurately as per requirement. This is the scenario for restaurant management system. Here I have some information for the project. They have also the chef identified by chef name, chef ID, salary, hire date. Here, chef name is a primary key. Restaurant also identified by name, address, phone number. Restaurant has waiter identified by waiter ID. This is a primary key. Name, salary, hire date. Waiter serve food to customer. Customer also identified by ID, name, phone number. ID is also a primary key. Customer gives order by waiter. Orders identified by CID, OID, MID. That means CID means customer ID, OID means order ID, MID means meal ID. Those are foreign key. Quantity, status and time. Store a start data and in data and the text to the contact. Then the entity and attributes for restaurant management system. There have 6 entities and those are the attributes for the 6 entities. We have also discussed about those entities and attributes. Then this is the ERD diagram for the restaurant management system. Here, chef also the relation between the meal. The relation is prepare. Chef has waiter. Waiter have some attributes. Chef serve customer. Customer have some attributes. Customer gives orders and this orders also some attributes. This is the ERD diagram for the restaurant management system. I have 6 tables in the restaurant management system project. There are 3 tables for that customer, meal, chef. This is CID, that means customer ID, name, phone number, address, WID. It's also a foreign key. WID means waiter ID. MID means meal ID, which is also primary key, name, price, chef ID. This is a foreign key, quantity. This is a chef table. Chef ID is a primary key, name, salary, hire date. This is the 3 tables. Then this is the another 3 tables for the restaurant management system project. Orders, OID that means order ID, time, status, quantity. Those 3 are foreign key. CID that means customer ID, MID that means meal ID, and WID that means waiter ID. Waiter ID here also a primary key. Name, salary, hire date, restaurant. They have in this there have 3 information: name, phone, address. Then there have some picture for the query. This is the query for create a table. This is the query for descending order by CID, that means customer ID. Then this is the query for group by options. This is the query for join two tables. Now I want to show some query for my table for my restaurant management system project. If I want to show all the information in the chef table, then I have to write select star from chef. Then it will be show all the information in the chef table. Then if I want to see the chef table chef ID in descending order, customer this CID in descending order, so I have to write select name from mill order by chef ID in descending order for the mail table. Then we can see the name in descending table descending by chef ID. If I write here chef ID if I want to show in descending order, for that I have to write as select name. There have some mistake in previous query, for that it doesn't run. Now it will be run, I think so. Order by we have to write the custom select name WID from customer table name order by the attribute. This is the table of customer, so I have to choose this, then run. Name it will be run. This also show in descending order. If I want to see in ascending order, then it will be shown in ascending order. Then if I want to create a table, then I have to write create 23 the length, create table, create table. If I want to write that's like table name, then CID, it's also integer type, then length. If I want to see it's a primary key, I have to write that. If I want to say it's also be auto increment, so I have to also rewrite that. Then WID, it's also be integer type. I have to write that it's a primary key for a vector table, but a foreign key for that table. I have to write that foreign key. Then the foreign key, what the foreign key, I have to write that. Then the references waiter WID. have to close it. If I want to see that, I have to refresh that. Then I can see cas11 come here. In this way we can create a table with a foreign key. If now I want to join two tables, then I have to write select table name dot name as customer waiter dot name as waiter from customer inner join waiter on customer dot wid equals to waiter dot wid. Then this is the join of two tables. This is the customer name and this is the waiter name. Those are waiter name. So there we can join two tables in this way. Now if I want to show the person whose name starts with A, then I have to write select name cell from shape where name like percentage. No name show here because in customer table, in chef table, they have no name start with A. They have one name. In this midpoint they have also A. If I want to see this, then I have to give there 2 underscore. Then I can see that the name. In this way we can see what type of name start with what type of letter. Then if I want to use group by data in this table, then I have to write select name wid sum salary from waiter group by wid having some cell less than 300. Then it will show who have salary greater than 300. We can see that by this some information in group by. Then if we want to, we know in database there have some types of join. They have inner join, cross join, left join, right join. I also show here inner join. Now I want to run a query for a cross join. For that I have to write select customer name as customer waiter dot name as waiter from customer cross join waiter. Then we can see some problem is there. Select customer dot name. I have also a mistake. So we can join two tables by the help of a cross join in this way. Now if we want to show the right join, then we have to write in that way. Select address from customer right and left join is also outer join, so we have to write that here. Right outer join waiter on customer dot cid equals to waiter dot wid, then close it. If I run, then we can see the address. We join two tables, customer table and waiter table, and we can see the address for the customer and waiter tables. Now if how to create table, I also show here, show that in this table. Now I want to show the way how to delete data from the table. Where OID equals to in order tables OID equals to 1, then we can see that if we refresh it, then we can see that information also deleted. Then if we want to insert that, if in waiter table, if I want to update some data, then I have to write update waiter set salary equals to 1000, where WID I have to write what the ID. I have to say whatever ID I have there. If I want to say Imrul also have salary say 500, if I want to say he have 1000, so I have to write the ID here. The ID is 2. It's also done. If I refresh it, then I can see that here his salary is 1000. Then In this way, we can update and delete data. Those are some query for my restaurant management system project. Conclusion for the project. Restaurant management database is an approach to effectively manage the data of a restaurant. A good database can be easily understood and the relationships between the various tables are clearly depicted. Thank you everyone.